Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using T-Mobile home internet and facing weak Wi-Fi signals in certain areas of your home, connecting a Wi-Fi extender can be a great way to improve coverage. However, many users find the setup confusing because T-Mobile routers work differently compared to traditional broadband systems, and not every extender connects automatically. The key is to follow the correct setup process so the extender can properly sync with your network and extend the signal without interruptions. Once everything is connected the right way, you'll notice better coverage and more stable internet in areas where the signal was previously weak. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect a Wi-Fi extender to your T-Mobile home internet quickly and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your T-Mobile router. Step 2. Wait for the extender to power on and enter setup mode. Step 3. Connect your phone or laptop to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Open a browser and access the extender setup page. Step 5. Select your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network and enter the correct password. Step 6. Place the extender in a location between the router and weak signal area.